Hi, today we are going to look into restaurant expenses tracker and understand how you can utilize restaurant expenses tracker to keep track of your expenses related to running the restaurant. So before jumping into the template, let me quickly turn off my webcam so that the screen is visible to you. And this is the particular template that we're talking about. So in this template, we have got a category section on the top and then a summary section. Category section reflects all the expenses under different categories, what has been defined as per the expenses booked underneath here. Under every category, we have got a budgeted expense amount and the actual expense that has been incurred so far, and a percent is indicated to indicate how much of the budgeted expense has been spent so far. Okay. In order to edit a particular category, click on this pencil icon and you can edit the particular category as per your requirement. So I'm going to click edit this. And if you want to delete a particular category, click on this three dot and click on delete. It will automatically delete the particular category. If you're looking to add a new category, click on this new page and a new category will be added for a requirement. Okay. And underneath every category for the budgeted expense amount, click on this budget expense value and you can edit the value to update the budget expense as per your requirement. Okay. Finally, under this, we have the table where you can book all the expenses. So as you can see, we have got different categories and the expenses reflected against that. So you can enter the expense amount over here and the expenses will be updated as per the requirement for the category that has been selected. Finally, moving to the summary section, you can see the total budgeted expense. So this is nothing but the sum of all the budgeted expense value that has put on the top. And then the actual expenses incurred, which is nothing but the expenses coming from the table below. The difference in between the both and the percentage of actual expenses incurred so far. So this is a quick and easy template to manage all the expenses related to running a restaurant. Again, this is entirely customizable as per your requirement. If you need any customization to this template, feel free to reach out to me at notionformyuse@gmail.com and I'll be happy to assist you on this further. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye bye.